dog is in it, so we're here for support. The rest of a lot of the crew's here. We're gonna be cheering him on, and hopefully he'll take it home. So we're just waiting for that, hanging out.
Yes, competition. I am ready for a shit-steaming puppet. Chewbacca, Bigfoot of the ship. So what I need right now is 6 hairy men to come on down, but just make sure you're wearing shoes for damn it's hot. Alright, who are my hairy boys at? Alright, one here.
There he is.
6 ladies coming down. One, 2, 3, right here. I need 3 more. What's my name back? Jason, Justice. And Jason's and Jason's. Alright, boys, sit back.
Don't get those. I got one thing to say. I think the one thing I went.
Amanda
right there,
Virginia.
Sarah, North Carolina.
North Carolina, what was this?
Samantha, North Carolina.
And North Carolina. Alright, boys.
Hannah's down there.
I'm gonna play this song. We're gonna... Now look at this lady here, it's her birthday. We're gonna give her a little happy birthday, Dennis. From there, we're gonna go on to the very first judge. Boys, flex those muscles. You're gonna grab those muscles, grab. Then you're gonna go to grandma. You're gonna put your fingers through that sweaty, smelly, hairy chest. Alright, it gets better. Then you are going to smell it. There's not everyone what they smell like. Then you're going to go to mommy. And you get a naughty boy. You're going to bend it down a bit and mommy's going to down. Mommy's going to get a little slap. Alright, we're going to get started with our very first day. Sir, Ducky, where you going? You're starting it. Oh my god, you are happy to be here. Check out those nipples. Alright, let's see if contestant number 1 start. Let's go.
I'm too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love, love come to me.
Happy birthday, Dennis. Oh yeah. Grab those muscles. Alright, Denny, grab them. Touch it. What does he smell like?
My ex-husband.
Smash that booty. Alright, Ducky, got it. So terrible. Magic Mike. Contestant 3. Out you go. Captain America. Sexy Sam. Contestant number 7. Nice shake, drop it like it's hot. Bring it to the ground. Alright, girls, please go the right way. Girls, please go the right way. You're going to be blocking it. Boys, assume your position. That was easy. Alright, let's put some music. Come on, Alright, sorry guys, we are out right now. It's between these 3. Alright, I need everyone to scream and shout. Hands up, where are you going, man? You're still in this, Alright, there's the winner of the half. There's the winner of the ducky. Competition 2019 goes to Robin Tyler.
Okay. As you can see, it is the last full day of our cruise, and we are starting to assemble our luggage. Always a fun chore, but unfortunately it is that was a great noise for the background. Unfortunately, it is necessary. So we're about halfway done. Alexis has not even started, so it'll be a fun night for her. Yeah. So today was today's Friday. It's our last full day. I didn't vlog a whole lot today. We just spent a lot of time with the LocaFam, doing some trivia, and had a cornhole contest, which I didn't film, but you'll see the whole thing on LocaFam's channel. We'll be sure to link, of course. And we're just kind of tired, honestly. It's been a long week. It's been a great week, fun, but it was hot today. The sun just kind of wore, so we were just kind of relaxing today. So nothing really interesting to film, really. Just us kind of just hanging out. We are going to get off early tomorrow. I think Facets of the Fun is 6:45 a.m. departure. I'm not going to film debarkation because we have an extra bag I'm going to have to carry. I'm not going to do that and hold the camera. It's debarkation. You get off the ship. That's tomorrow. That's pretty much all you need to see. Otherwise, I don't know. Is there anything I'm missing?
No.
How was your week? Real quick.
It was great.
Yeah, we had a great time.
A lot of fun. It was a blast. Can't wait for the next one.
Yeah, we'll tomorrow maybe we'll do a little more in-depth review of everything. A few little issues we had, some of the cons, but everything was pretty much pro. We had a real good time. Yeah, I don't think there's anything. It's about 10 till 6. It's our last dinner, and that's where we're gonna say some of that's where we're gonna say our goodbyes to the LocaFam. Tomorrow morning, everybody's gonna head out their separate ways, whether it be by car, plane, however
Automobile.
else. Automobile. Well, that's car. So you're forget
Shut
it.
up.
So
Planes, trains,
plane.
and
Yeah. So whatever mode of transportation they're taking is it. So, but yeah, that was today. Today was just a kind of a, what do the kids say? A chill day. So that was our day. So we have more packing to do. Not all, well, my bag, which will be fun. But yeah, so I mean that's pretty much it. I don't think maybe I'll film a little at dinner, say bye to everybody. But otherwise, that's pretty much it for the end of this vlog. We'll do a wrap up of the ship and our experience with everyone. If you're just catching up, this is the Lolly Loca / Cruise Geeks group cruise. So we'll have the links to everybody, of course, all week in our whole vlog series. I did a room tour earlier. We'll be posting that probably first. So yeah, so thanks for sticking out with us this week. Be sure to like and subscribe and give all our friends and comment and give our friends below. I'll have all the channels linked to everybody. Instagram, all that stuff at the Lido Life. And we'll see you.